So in order to automate an export of your data from Bubble into Supabase, once you're set up, you've got these controls, and what you're looking at here is option one is you every day you delete the data and automatically recreate the table. It's very simple, and what PlanB will do is it'll create a new table in Supabase with primary keys and an auto increment and a unique constraint on the unique ID, and it'll copy all the data from Supabase into that table. And then optionally you can just take the last 30 days or a year, or you just choose modified and new rows. So that's when that is taking basically lifting and shifting a Bubble table and dumping it into Supabase. Option two is, let's say you don't want to do that. What you want to do is you want to take some Bubble data and you want to stick it into some Supabase tables. And here you can see in this one we've got something in Bubble called log, and we want to stick it into lstest-log in Supabase, and we're going to map say footprint. We'll go into footprint as a text, and the unique ID will go into Supabase column ID. And you can inspect these are all the types that are available in the Supabase table, and these are all the columns available in Bubble. So you build up a mapping, and here is all the tables that are in Supabase. And if you change your Supabase schema, you click here and it will go and grab the latest schema in your Supabase table. And then when you run this, you go use existing Supabase table with map fields, and I copy that, it will go and grab the data and apply it according to that mapping. And if you're enabled daily, what you would do is you would say, the thing that you would say, go and get in any modified new rows in the last 30 days using the mapping, and that will each day grab any modified or new rows and put those into your Supabase table. So you build up every day the view of all the data you've got in Bubble. And here you can, so talking about the if you look here, what this blue stuff is you can see this shows you how the automation works. So all the names have been sensibly turned into SQL safe names, and it adds comments to each of the columns. So you can, when you're in your Supabase Explorer, you can see from where the data came from and where the columns came from. And if there are errors, if you're using a mapping, there could be errors because so all the SQL errors that occur, you'll be able to view here. And that's how you can export and maintain a copy of your Bubble data into Supabase.